Maybe we'll do a problem. You'll understand better. So they've given a problem. So the RC is given. RC is RL. Okay. So RC and RL are same. So RC is 2 kilo ohms. RL is 2 kilo ohm. Voltage source VS is having a resistance 1000 ohm. This is going to be your RS. H parameters are given. HIE is 1300 ohms. HRE, HFE. HFE is your beta. Okay. So neglect the biasing resistor. They're asking you to find the four parameters: input resistance, output resistance, voltage gain, and current gain. And they have given the three values for emitter resistance RE. So we are going to use the values for RE and we are going to find the values. So RE is 200 ohm. So just don't mind these two sentences. So we'll go with our usual formulas. Don't get confused with these two sentences. Old current gain. So current gain formula we derived is minus HFE. So here it is 55. So current gain is minus 55. Straightforward. Input resistance, usual formula HIE plus 1 plus HFE into RE. So it is 12.5 kilo ohms. HFE is 55. Okay. So HIE is given 1300. So 1300 plus 1 plus 55 into 200 ohms. So you get 12.5 K. See, it is increased from 1.3 K to 12.5 K. That is the effect of adding your emitter resistance RE. So it will increase the input resistance of your circuit. Voltage gain, my AI into RC by RI. So AI is minus 55 into RC. RC is 2000 divided by 12,500. So you get minus 8.8. Output resistance is infinity. And with RL, the output resistance is RL, which is 2 kilo ohms. All are straightforward, right? So whenever this question, this circuit comes in your exam, you need not derive the expression for all the parameters. If you know the formula, directly you can substitute and you can get the answer for whatever parameters asked in your question. So all you see direct formulas we are using. We are not deriving everything. Okay. So next one we have done with 200 ohms. Now we are going to repeat the same thing with 400 ohms. So when RE equal to 400, current gain is going to be same. Input resistance will be even more increasing because my RE value was 200 initially. Now it has doubled. So input resistance will also be almost doubled. 12.5, it has become 24. Almost doubled. Voltage gain, you see, it is reducing. As we have seen the expression, right? When you increase RE, the voltage gain will reduce. RE increase panna, stability will be very good. But it will be reflecting on the voltage gain of your amplifier. The output resistance, as usual, it is infinity without RL. If you consider RL, it is going to be 2 kilo ohms. So you can see the current gain and output resistance are approximately same. They are not changing at all. What is changing is only RI and AV because both are interrelated. The current gain and the output resistance will not change. They will be constant. RI and AV are related, so definitely they are going to change. RI will increase, and since AV is inversely proportional to RI, when RI is increasing, AV will naturally decrease. AV is your voltage gain. Last case, when RE equal to 1000. See, again, the current gain is same. Output resistance is also going to be same. Only thing, the input resistance is increased to 57.3 K and the voltage gain has come to minus 1.2. So it was 8.8, then it has come to 4.6, now it has come to 1.92. Okay. So this is how you can solve problems using the formulas. H parameter nale, you have to find out the four parameters: two gain and two resistance. One is current gain, one is voltage gain, next one is input resistance and output resistance. Remember, output and input resistance are found out without considering the external resistances. They are found out only by considering the available H parameter model resistances only. Whatever source you have connected, you have to remove it for finding the input resistance. Whatever load you have connected, you have to remove it for finding out the output resistance. That logic you have to remember, because I cannot keep on saying these logics again and again. So any clarifications or doubts you have in regarding this problem solving in this type of resistor, common emitter amplifier with emitter resistor, you can ask it now. Is it clear? Are things clear? See, I again say, just with the classroom knowledge, it is not enough for getting thorough in your circuits. You have to download the PPT and you have to derive and see the parameters. See, online class, I don't think we can still more whatever we explain is the maximum explanation, and we cannot make it even more than the physical class. How much ever explanation we can give, we'll give that. But since circuits is being an online class, it is going to be very, very difficult to project certain mathematical concepts. So any doubts if you have, you can ask.